got this John Deere 4020 diesel. I just wanted to show you, it's an early one, like a 68. And it's got a synchro transmission in it. And I just wanted to show you the reverse situation here. So you can see that this is reverse, the slow reverse right here. And then there's the faster reverse here. So you can see that the bottom two ranges don't have any reverse on them. So here's our normal fast reverse. But there's actually a reverse, a hidden reverse here. If you go down, and it'll actually allow you to shift down, and that's way high reverse, even though it's not listed on the transmission. And that's, even at low idle, that's moving right along. So there's even a more secret reverse, and that's in the last range, right here. There's actually a reverse, if you could go over, and you would have to cut a notch out, and you would actually get an even faster reverse. This one I didn't cut it out, I just don't ever have a reason to go in faster reverse than the secret reverse. So anyway, if you do a lot of backing up, that might be helpful for you. Hopefully this is helpful for you, and you have a good day. Thanks for watching.